A very important question have been asked from me by many students. Yes, sir, whether it is important to write down mock test immediately before exam. Sir, we have not written any mock test till now, whether it will affect our result. From my point of view, if you are not writing any mock test, it will never affect your result. Right now, you should focus on your exam preparation, completion of entire syllabus, and only preparation about exam. Right now, don't think about mock test. I'm not saying that writing mock test has no advantage. But why we write mock test? We write mock test for two basic advantages. Writing mock test will help us to understand time management, and writing mock test help us to identify the mistake which we can avoid in our CA final exam. That is the two main purpose. So writing mock test has two advantages: to learn time management and to understand what mistake we are committing, so that mistake we can avoid before exam. But right now, can I say, when only 4 days are left, you should focus on your preparation, you should focus on revision, so that entire syllabus is completed. Right now, the syllabus is not completed. How can you think about writing mock test? Correct? So don't think about writing mock test, but I'll just give you one suggestion, how you can learn time management, how can you identify the mistake which you should avoid before exam. That I will just give one suggestion that you can follow instead of writing mock test. It is not advisable to write down mock test immediately before exam. Don't think about mock test. Even though you have not written mock test, believe me, it will never affect your result. I know many students, including me, I will say, even though I have not written any mock test, then also I become CA. So I know many students who have scored good marks without writing mock test. Understood? I am not saying that you should not write down mock test, but you should not write down mock test immediately before exam. Got it? There is a difference between writing mock test and writing mock test immediately before exam. Right now, the focus should be on preparation, completion of syllabus, because that will give you the confidence in writing your main exam on exam day. Understood? So what suggestion I want to give you, that how can you run time management, and how can you identify the mistake. What you can do that, for example, if you are doing revision of consolidation chapter, so you know there are 5 or 6 good question already. I have given the expected question of all chapters. So from that expected question list, or from any question whatever you think is a good question, that you can practice in writing before exam in a piece of paper. Correct? Now can I say 1-2 question you can practice in full? For example, that question is of that question may come for 16 marks or 14 marks. So now you know, for 16 marks already I have given last day video that for 16 marks normally we require 32 minutes. Correct? Now normally we require 32 minutes. Correct? So for 16 marks, if suppose 32 minutes is required, so you should complete that question in 32 minutes. And if you are not able to complete that question in 32 minutes, don't worry. Can you see, you can practice one or more question. What more? For learning time management. But in this way, what you can do, during revision only you can understand how to manage time for writing a question. Correct? Similarly, when you are practicing a question, you do some mistake, the mistake whatever committed by you, just write down, and that you just refer immediately before exam, so that the same mistake you don't repeat before in your final exam. Understood? Correct. In this way you can learn time management. Also you can identify the mistake whatever you are committing before exam without writing mock test. I will suggest you don't write down mock test immediately before exam. There is no need to write down mock test. Concentrate on preparation, concentrate on your completion of syllabus, because that will only give you confidence of appearing in exam. I hope this video will help you. Correct? Thank you very much. We'll once again meet you. Till then, bye bye. Take care. All the best for your preparation. Love you all. Bye bye.